Hey guys, welcome to another video. This time we're not going to play video games. Instead, this time we're going to talk about, what it is to have a video game channel and what happens after you get monetized. I'm going to talk about good things, about bad things, how much money I made during this period of time. And, in case you're new to the channel, I got monetized 6 months ago, exactly 6 months ago on the 28th of June. As I'm recording this, we're in 28th of December, so we're almost at the end of the year. So I thought it was a good idea to give you some heads up when what it is to, what happens to your channel once you get monetized and how much money you make. So I have a few things that I wrote here that I'm gonna try to look and then talk to the camera. And the first thing I want to talk about is the bad things, and then I'm gonna leave some good things for the end, so you can end this video on a good note. Now, the first bad thing that I want to tell you about is the YouTube gurus. Now, if you're like me and you really wanted to get monetized on YouTube and you watch tons and tons of videos from YouTube, you know that they will tell you that as soon as you get, monetized, you start working for YouTube, and suddenly out of nowhere, tons of subscribers are gonna come into your channel and you're gonna get tons of views. YouTube just gonna push your channel like crazy to everyone. And I am here to tell you that sadly that is not the case, at least not for me. I had, of course, 1,000 subscribers in June, and now 6 months later I have 1,420 for an average of 70 subscribers a month, which means that I'm getting, close to 900 a year if I continue like this. So it means that for me to get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna have to wait more than 100 years. I don't think I'll live that long. Outside of this really lame joke, when it comes to views also, this is not going, as I expected. YouTube is not at all pushing my videos more than usual. This year, my best video only got like 10,000 views. And sadly, because that was a very short video, it was a long form video, but it only had like 29 seconds. So for those 10,000 views, I received a whopping 70 cents. So yeah, of course that happens only because it was a very short video. And in case you guys don't understand how this works, basically the longer your videos are, the more money you're gonna make, depending of course in how long the viewer watches your videos. But like the magical number is 8 minutes. If you make your videos shorter than 8 minutes, you're only gonna have like 1 or 2 ads in your video. But if you do over 8 minutes, you can have an ad at the beginning, another one at the middle, and another one at the end. And if you do like a 30-minute video or 1 hour, then you're gonna get like tons of ads, which means tons of money. Now, for you to have an idea of what my RPM is, which means how much money I'm getting for 1,000 views, when it comes to long form videos, my average is 70 cents. So 1,000 views, 70 cents. And this is for a video game channel in Portugal. Okay, if you have a video game channel in like a very rich country, you're gonna get more. If you have a video game channel in a very poor country, then you're going to receive even less. But as of right now, I'm getting an average of 70 cents. Now, this also happens very much because I have most of my older videos are like very short. They're like 2 minutes long, and that is affecting the average like crazy. If I would only, saw my videos from the last 2 months, 2-3 months, then my average would be like €1.50, something like that, because now I'm making much longer videos. As for my shorts RPM, I'm getting an average of 6 cents. Okay, so 1,000 views on shorts will give me 6 cents. And when it comes to shorts, shorts is something that you need to be very careful about. Like, shorts are incredibly good in some things, like they are very good to get you subscribers. They are definitely what pushed me to get those 1,000 subscribers. If it wasn't for shorts, I would probably still not get monetized till this point. But the problem is that if you have most of your subscribers being from short videos and you want to make your channel with long form videos, there is a high chance that those people that watch, subscribe to your channel because of shorts, they will not see your long form videos. So let's imagine you make a 1 million, you get a viral video with 1 million views from shorts, and you get like, I don't know, 5,000 new subscribers, and your channel only had like 1,000. Every time you put a long form video, YouTube is going to show that long form video to your, or your 6,000 subscribers. And if those 5,000 new that you got from a short, they don't watch your video, YouTube is going to see that as a bad sign, and it's not good for your channel. So YouTube probably will not show the video outside of your subscribers. So you can really hurt your channel if you only get, subscribers from shorts, and your final idea is to make long form videos the whole time. Now, when it comes to money, how much I made this entire time, I also, don't have that, that very good news. On my first month, full month, which was July, I got 33 euros. And, I thought, okay, this was just the first month. Things are going to get better after this. But that was not the case at all. In August, I got 20. In September, I also got 20. In October, it got a little bit better, 21, yay. And in November, I actually had my best month so far with 37. Now, this only happened because I had a video that got like almost 9,000 views, a long form video, and that video alone brought me almost 20 euros. So if it wasn't for that, one video, that the November would have been my worst month so far. And when it comes to December, which I had high hopes because, all the YouTube gurus, and they're probably right in this, I'm not saying they're not, but everyone says that December is the best month of the year to, to make some money because, there's Christmas, everyone is buying stuff. But actually, so far in 28 days of December, I only made 16 euros. So unless this video that you're watching right now takes off, it's almost guaranteed that this will be my worst month so far. So, if you want to help, drop a like or put a comment so that this that this doesn't become my worst month so far. So in total for these 6 months, I got 153 euros, which gives an average of around 25 euros a month, which is not that great. And when it comes to getting paid, by example, you have like a limit of money that you need to reach. Like in my case is 70 euros. Only when I get to 70 euros, I get paid. And I do not get paid this month. I only get paid in the next month. And it's only between 21 and 25, I believe, of the next month. And another bad thing that I was not expecting was that, if you go to your YouTube app, of checking how much money you gained so far, the money that is there is not exactly what you're going to receive. If there it says like 70 euros, which is my limit, then it appears some words saying less taxes. So you're still going to pay taxes over the money that is there. And then, of course, you're probably going to have to do IRS in your country. So that's going to be even less. And that is not all, because like I had to invest a lot of money. I don't know if that's the case for you. Maybe you already have a PC or a PlayStation or anything like that. But in my case, I wanted to have a really fast laptop. So I bought a new laptop, which cost 1,300 euros. I bought a camera, 50 euros. I bought a microphone, another 50. I bought a PlayStation 5, which was 700, but I got some help. I had a really incredible Twitch donation that I will forever be thankful. And I also sold my PS4. So in the end, it cost me like 200, something like that, plus another 60 for the camera. But, let's forget that, I had all the help for the PlayStation 5. If I did not have all the help, the total would be an investment of 2,160 euros. And so far I got only 150. So that is not a good deal at all. It's going to take a crazy amount of time to recover those 2,000 euros. But, not everything are bad news. I do have some good news that, I'm going to leave them for now for the end of the video. And, they're not groundbreaking or anything, but this is really cool. Like, one thing that I always heard the YouTube guru say is that, it is possible for you to have a video that is completely dead and suddenly out of nowhere it can get views. I am very, very happy to say that really happens. I have lots of videos that were completely dead, like they had like 10-20 views, and out of nowhere the people just started watching them, and now they have 300, 400, 500 views. And I even have a short that this was insane. Like I have this short that I really thought it was going to take off, but it didn't. It only got like 2,600 views when it came out, and I was incredibly disappointed. But like 5 months later, this is insane, like only 5 months later, for some reason, I don't know which one, the video started taking off, and right now it has 52,000 views. It's crazy. Like I think this is going to become viral and going to get over 100,000 views, and it's getting me money and subscribers all the time. This is crazy. And I have a few shorts videos that this is happening. They're just getting more and more and more views, and I think eventually they're gonna get tons of views in the future. So this is like really great news. And another thing that is awesome, again, this is just this is kind of a bit ridiculous because the amount of money I'm going to talk about is so short, but my channel is making money every single day. Like even if I do not put any video for a week, every single day I am making money. YouTube is pushing my videos to people. They're mostly shorts, yes, and shorts do not give almost any money. But, like I'm probably making, and I know this is ridiculous, but I'm probably making like 25 cents every single day without doing zero effort, like doing nothing. It's like an infinite amount of money that you're going to receive forever. I mean, that's the idea that I get. Of course, I haven't never stayed for like a month without uploading a new video. But it's really cool to know that, I can have like if I have a very busy week and I do not upload any video at all, I will still be making money. So that is really, really cool. And yeah, I guess this is everything I learned so far. And this is, my, how much money I made so far. Am I disappointed? A little bit, but at the same time, I love playing video games. I love editing videos, and I love interacting with you guys in the comments. So, I have lots of fun doing this, and I'm still making some money on the side. So, and you never know, at some time, one of your videos can get viral and your life can change forever. So, you have to dream, and you have to dream big. And that's why I keep doing this. So, yeah, I guess to finish the video, I wish you all a happy new year. This has been an incredible year for me. Being monetized was big, but way bigger than that. I became a father for the first time in my life, and it's honestly the most beautiful thing in life. Nothing even comes close. Like seriously, it's out of this world. It's unbelievable. And I'm a very happy dude right now, and yeah, I hope 2025 can be a great year for you guys, and for me as well. Okay, so see you on the next video. Again, happy new year, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.